Well, it seems the niche pirates of Redbubble are at it again. I'll show you what I mean. Hello, for those of you who don't know, I'm MC Seth. I run a couple of print-on-demand stores, one being Redbubble, and that's what we're going to talk about today because there's some big problems happening at the moment with Redbubble. They've been going on for quite a while, but now it just seems really, really prevalent. And I'm going to give you some examples. I've taken some screenshots here. So you can see here, if you type in the keywords "love is not cancelled," you're going to get a list of results up. And if you click the you can't see my mouse here, but on each result there's a little eye in the corner, and if you just click that, then you'll be able to bring up these images here, and you can see that all these tag words have been spammed, and you can see the size of some of the, I don't know what they're called, but the scroll bar, the size of the scroll bar just means the smaller the scroll bar, the more tags that have been spammed. Now a couple of them they're fine. But this is page 1, and I've taken 5 screenshots. So this is the first one, second one, third, fourth, fifth. So if you're planning to make a design in this category, then you've either got to do the same, which I wouldn't recommend, because Redbubble would just, you know, who's to know that later on down the line they just change things and get rid of all these accounts, or at least all of these pieces of artwork. So you really don't want to do that. But it just leaves people like me, who started back in October, you know, what do we do? It just leaves us at a really in a really bad place, and it's really demotivating, because I'm a new store anyway, so sales are, you know, pretty non-existent. But when you find things like this, it just really discourages you. And that brings me to the second point. So the second point is all the copyrighted and trademarked stuff. Now, you can't do a search on Redbubble without coming across a copyrighted design. And I think it was Phil the other day, or Shimmy, no, it was Shimmy Morris the other day, who brought up a design that was infringing on Supreme, Dragon Ball Z, Sprite, all in the same design. And that is just a notion of how crazy things are getting at Redbubble. So if you're a content creator on Redbubble and you create designs, I urge you to make a video, or just send them a message, an email, just to note these things. There's not much that we can do as designers and artists. It's all at their end. They can stop this because, you know, as the guys before have mentioned, they're in partnership with other websites who have things in place to stop this, but they don't implement it here, and I don't know why. So it's just getting really, really frustrating. Lost my trail of thought a bit, but yeah, you can see I'm just really pissed off. So if you share this video, it doesn't matter about liking or subscribing, I don't usually ask for those things, but share this around just so it gets to Redbubble. But I just want to mention before I dip off, there is one thing that we can do as artists and designers. Now, if you click on a listing and just scroll to the bottom, you can report the listing. And there are like sections you can report in. Sorry, that's my phone going off. And so all these ones on this page, you don't have to worry about. I've already reported those. But there's like 700,000 artists, and what, 500,000 or 450,000 have got to be legitimate, right? So if we all do 8 of these guys, report 8, then that can't be ignored. It really can't. So that's something that we can do. But yeah, I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.